TCS promotion letters not released 2025. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the promotion letters and the new compensation letters in April 2025. As you all know that TCS mentioned that they are going to promote more than 20,000 people in this particular quarter by the end of this quarter, right, which started Jan and ended at March. So this becomes important for people who are expecting promotions, who have completed 3 years, 4 years at TCS. They want to go from C1 to C2 or from C3A to C3B or other areas, right? So this is important for all of these guys. Along with that, the appraisals, the yearly financial appraisals, which is compensation letters that are not yet delivered to all the employees. Most of them have not received it. The bands have not been released, and this is the reason for worry for a lot of candidates. But before moving forward, I just want to discuss one point with you. That is, right now what is happening in the IT industry. Now India's IT service based industry is about $250 billion. Okay, and what is happening right now due to Trump's reciprocal tariffs is that it might face some or the other form of headwinds due to this tariff model, right? And most of the US IT companies, US banks and other things, right, they outsource all the techs and adoption and the AI transformation digital journey using Indian IT companies. And if there is a recession in the US, that might affect a lot in Indian IT companies. And that is the reason what happened was the IT services companies, which included Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Wipro, they came under heavy selling in the market because of the US President Donald Trump's announcing of sweeping reciprocal tariff on about 60 countries, right? Now this is important. Now why? Because these companies, they might get their revenues impacted, they might get their profit margins impacted, which is again resulting in the share price loss, right? So it is a good time for people who, if you want to invest, if you feel that these companies are good from an investment perspective. But the more important point here is that TCS is going to declare the results, quarter 4 results, that is on 30 which ended on 31st of March 2025, on Thursday, that is 10th of April. Okay, after the market trading hours. And this is important. Why? Because in this result they might describe and mention what will be the future plan for TCS, how they are going to hire more candidates, or how they are going to promote people in the next particular quarter, right? So this becomes very evident. And definitely before this, okay, in the next 5-10 days, or in the after 5-10 days after this 10th of April, by mid of April, you can expect your bands and your offer letters, or what I would say is your compensation letters or your promotion letters. So this is very evident. There can be a high possibility of you getting the offer letters, the compensation letters, or even your promotion letters if you're expecting a promotion, if your manager has recommended your name for promotion in the unit. So this becomes very evident and very important, right? So I hope that this point is clear, that in the next 15 days there can be a high possibility of you getting your compensation letters for April 2025, or I would say it as appraisals, the financial year yearly appraisals, and the promotions. Okay, so I hope that this video was helpful. If yes, please share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry, particularly at TCS, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and keep watching.